BGT back with another video.
Listen. This is how Bird King
hit the wall
was created.
Yes, kid. Alright, man. It was born in 1998, and then in 1972, the first bird came to America.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
1819. 1819 when Garfield was created.
No, that was 7200. Whatever. Whatever.
And that was 2000, 2004.
The first eagle. What eagle? Is it eagle?
No.
Eagle. How you say it? Eagle.
Eagle.
Ostrich?
Bro, you're stupid, bro. You don't even know how to say Argo.
Wait, what?
One that flock?
Ostrich?
The ostrich.
The
ostrich.
Flamingo. Flamingo?
Gatorade?
Coyote? Alright, whatever. So next thing you know, a bunch of birds got together about 2072, right? And we wasn't supposed to be born yet, so then we went to the future though, and we saw the birds all together, right? It was a coyote, which is a different type of bird in the future.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You live out the part with the fish. How you being a bird king got here without the fish? Listen,
he always does this. He always act like I don't know what I'm talking about, man. Like I ain't the first one that made Bird Game.
Hey, we here to show people how to get Bird Game, how Bird Game was created.
Whatever, you have to kiss two guys.
He's capping. He's capping, man. I ain't kissed two guys.
Okay. Well, now you're thinking our group is kind of weird, but it's not that weird. We just went to the future and we saw, like I
get your finger out of my face. Girls out the room. Yeah, you
said, like I said, we went to the future, went to the past. We saw bird gangs, like multiple of them.
That's what it is.
And then we saw everybody repping B's, C's. I don't know what the heck was going on. Why are we repping red and blue when we should be repping animals? Cause I'm an animal. I fly to your city, kite to your city, buy to the city, climb to your city.
I'll drive to your city, I'll die to your city. You know what I'm doing, I'll fly to your kitty.
And I'll die for my city. I'll see you in a band. I'm a freestyle, man. I'm back on my
Hey, you see what's on my shirt?
Buck, 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 buck. That's a duck. Buck, buck, buck. Quack, quack, that's a chicken. Quack, quack, that's a chicken. What's that, man?
You know, bite your face on.
So 3 things you gotta do. Say hi to guys. Kiss a guy. Marry about 5 of them. Then join it. Then get a bunch of birds and talk to them.
What?
What about you? What's your pointers? Go ahead. Oh, I forgot that one.
You did.
No, what's
no
the
girlfriends.
Okay, write that up. What's the
no girlfriends.
What's the last thing you know, though? So wait, no girlfriends?
No girlfriends.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I remember we met that. So, like, if you're going to join it, and you guys don't think this is, like, somewhat, you guys don't think this is GAY. It's not.
Nothing's weird about it. If you're in Bird Gang, you're in Bird Gang. It's just how the gang rolls.
I mean, it's fun. You know what I'm saying? You have a boyfriend, you don't have a boyfriend. It's whatever. We just don't respect having girlfriends. If you're a guy and you have a girlfriend, you just can't be a part of Bird Gang. You take girls too seriously.
Right.
How are you going to sit there and act like a girl's more important than a bunch of guys and a bunch of birds?
We gotta keep people out because they got girlfriends.
Patrick?
He's out.
Zay?
He's out. We the only ones.
Shoot, I just kicked Ronis out because his hair was getting too long.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
He was looking way too pretty for girls.
What?
Listen, bro. The story is, bro. Bird Gang is it was raised down in South Chirac. Come on, man. You know
South Chicago. We both from there,
South Chicago, bro. And you wanna know who put up on me? Come on, you already know who put up on me, man. Come on.
Free Bobby. Don't really free him because he's in there for a reason. Free TK.
Free pimp. Gang, gang.
Hey, but TK, if you're freed, please don't kill anyone else. Kodak, go back to jail, please, because since you came out, you've been doing nothing for culture.
Let me drive the boat.
You're the worst rapper in America.
Yeah.
Blueface.
I don't even like music.
Okay, no more. Blueface sucks!
This is me off, man. Bust down Tatiana. It's Tatiana.
Freaking dummy. People say it's Tatiana. You're stupid. There's no H in it. The H is silent, you dummy.
What?
Bust down, Tatiana, I'm back on a bust down, clock down. Hold up, you want fuck now. Hold up, you want now. I don't want to clock now. I don't want to talk now. See me in the butt now. Hold it in the saw now. Hit me the whoa. Go to go. Yeah, I'm Joe. I gotta go. Ooh.
Yeah, flipping the big and I'm flipping the kilo. Hop on your mama, she get him in Neo. Hit him with Nene, I tell him in Neo. When you the boot, I'm Dodger Boots Neo. What you saying? Pull on your block. I'm popping on the clock, man. Pull up on the clock now. I'm jumping out of the truck with a clock, man.
Too aggressive.
Alright.
I try to tell you, don't be that aggressive. I'm getting so sick of this. I already talked about this. I told you.
Oh, no, Jesus!
This is what I'm talking about. Do not have friends like him.